Imagine slicing open an aloe leaf and tasting that fresh gel right from the plant. That's what Forever Aloe Vera Gel brings to your table, pure natural goodness. Packed with acemannan, it's like a little superhero for your immune system. It helps your body absorb nutrients and promotes friendly bacteria in your gut. What's even cooler? Our gel has nearly double the acemannan needed for certification, so you're getting top quality, plus it's aseptically processed, meaning no preservatives, just 99.7% pure interleaf aloe vera gel, and it comes in eco-friendly Tetra Pak packaging, so you can enjoy that fresh taste while being kind to the planet. Aloe as nature intended, simple, effective, and oh so refreshing.